When it comes to enhancing your Rockford home's aesthetic appeal and functionality, the choice of windows plays a crucial role. Windows are more than just a way to bring natural light into your home. They also affect your home's overall energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. With a wide variety of window styles available, it can be overwhelming to choose the best one for your needs. In this article, we'll explore the different window styles and offer tips on how to choose the right windows for your Rockford home based on your personal preferences, budget, and the architectural style of your property. Double-hung windows. Classic and versatile double-hung windows are among the most common and traditional window styles, making them a great choice for many homes in Rockford. They consist of two sashes that can both slide up and down, allowing for easy ventilation and cleaning. Ventilation control. One of the key benefits of double-hung windows is the ability to open both the top and bottom sashes. This allows you to control the airflow and improve ventilation throughout your home. Aesthetic appeal. Double-hung windows have a timeless design that complements a wide range of architectural styles, from traditional homes to more modern designs. Their versatility makes them a perfect option for homeowners who want a classic look with modern functionality. Energy efficiency. Many modern double-hung windows come with energy-efficient features, such as double glazing and low-E coatings, which help to reduce heat loss and improve insulation. Casement windows. Easy operation and maximum ventilation. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward, like a door. These windows are known for their easy operation and excellent ventilation. Easy to operate. Casement windows open with a simple crank, making them an excellent choice for hard-to-reach areas, such as above the kitchen sink or high up on a wall. This ease of use is particularly beneficial for homeowners who want convenience and accessibility. Ventilation. Because casement windows open outward, they provide maximum airflow, making them a great option for enhancing natural ventilation in your home. The wide opening allows fresh air to flow freely, improving the air quality inside your home. Security. Casement windows are more secure than some other styles because they lock tightly when closed. The locking mechanism is built directly into the frame, making it more difficult for intruders to pry them open. Sliding windows. Ideal for smaller spaces. Sliding windows are another popular option, especially for homes with limited space. These windows feature two sashes, with one sliding horizontally to open and close the window. Space saving. Sliding windows don't require extra space to swing open, making them an excellent option for areas like narrow hallways or small rooms where you need to maximize space. Simple design. Sliding windows have a minimalist design that complements both modern and contemporary homes. They offer a sleek look and provide excellent visibility, making them ideal for rooms with a view. Low maintenance. Sliding windows are easy to clean because there are fewer moving parts. Simply lift the sash out of the frame to clean both sides of the glass. Bay and bow windows. Expanding your view and space. Bay and bow windows are a stunning choice if you want to add depth and character to your home. These windows project outward from the home's exterior, creating a small alcove or nook. Maximizing natural light. Bay and bow windows are designed with multiple panels of glass, allowing more natural light to flood your home. This makes them an excellent choice for rooms like living areas or kitchens where you want to create a bright and airy space. Expanding space. The projection of bay and bow windows can create additional interior space. This can be particularly beneficial in smaller rooms, offering more usable space for seating, storage, or decor. Enhanced curb appeal. These windows are a standout feature of any home's exterior. Their elegant design adds architectural interest and increases the curb appeal of your property, making them a great investment if you're planning to sell your home. Picture windows. Letting in maximum light. If your main goal is to maximize natural light and enjoy unobstructed views, picture windows are a perfect choice. These large, fixed windows don't open but are ideal for showcasing scenic views or letting in sunlight. Unobstructed views. Picture windows are often used in areas where you want to enjoy expansive views of the outdoors, such as living rooms or dining rooms. The large panes of glass allow for a clear, unbroken view of your landscape. Energy efficiency. Since picture windows are fixed, they have fewer moving parts and tend to have better insulation than windows that open. Many modern picture windows come with energy-efficient glazing to help keep your home comfortable year-round. Aesthetic appeal. Picture windows provide a sleek, clean look, especially when paired with casement or awning windows to create a more dynamic window design. They work well in both traditional and modern homes. Awning windows. Protection from the elements. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, allowing you to enjoy fresh air even during light rain. Rain protection. The outward opening design of awning windows allows for ventilation even when it's drizzling outside, making them an excellent choice for bathrooms or kitchens where ventilation is important but you don't want rain coming in. Energy efficiency. Like casement windows, awning windows provide excellent sealing and insulation, which helps to improve energy efficiency and reduce heating and cooling costs. Compact design. Awning windows are typically smaller and work well in spaces like basements, bathrooms, or above kitchen sinks where you need functional ventilation but have limited wall space. Choosing the right style for your home. When selecting the right window style for your Rockford home, there are several factors to consider. Architectural style. The style of your home plays a big role in determining which windows will complement its look. For instance, traditional homes may look best with double-hung or casement windows, while modern homes may benefit from the clean lines of sliding or picture windows. Functionality. Consider how you want your windows to function. Do you want maximum ventilation? Opt for casement or awning windows. Do you need unobstructed views? Picture windows are ideal. Energy efficiency. Choose windows with energy-efficient glass and good insulation to keep your home comfortable year-round and reduce utility costs. Conclusion. Choosing the right window style for your Rockford home is an important decision that affects both the look and function of your space. From the versatility of double-hung windows to the maximized views of picture windows, each window style offers unique benefits that cater to different needs. By considering your home's architecture, your functional needs, and your budget, you can make an informed decision and enjoy the benefits of beautiful, efficient windows for years to come.